Just a quick look at the tools. It's the PENN spanner tool. Comes with a screwdriver, so you don't necessarily need the screwdriver. I just find having a little bit more leverage will help. For taking screws off, grub screws, the locking screw, and the big screw that holds the handle in. That there I used for the spool tension knob to pull out the little inserts that are inside for it to click, just in case the small pillar cutters always come in handy. Here's a quick look at the ratchet fault. It is very, very quiet. So, 3 screws, nice and easy. See, my reels, tools, they're not ornaments, so yes, I haven't cleaned them before doing this video. Literally pulled them straight out. Hopefully gonna get out tonight. Target a few blonde rays, blondes and spotties, or blondes and thornback hopefully. Finish off the slam. So do a little wiggle. See how easy that just came out. There's teeth missing, so it's actually slipping. That is what a new part looks like. There's teeth all the way around, whereas there's teeth missing. So what we'll do now, I'll just bump this out a second. See, there's a full row of teeth missing there. Obviously the new part is this part, and that's the faulty part. These are regular. Sometimes if the ratchet is just quite not off, when you cast or wind in, they snap like butter. They don't take long. So it's always handy to keep a few of these spare. They're a nice easy fix. It's a shame that they don't make a metal ratchet like they used to. There's one of the little cogs. The others have just come out with the part. So it's a brand new one. Just a case of putting it in, and it doesn't move. It does actually lock in place. So keep turning, reel until it lines back up. Ratchet's on. Actually, it's much more prominent noise. Sorry guys. So we'll put the screws back in. That's another job done. But that is the Chris Macy modification. Whereas the previous mag knob used to be about that big and used to catch in your arms, your forearms when you were winding in. This one, no problem at all now.